we're in Westover Village in Arlington. I'm Megan FASS, and there's a phenomenal home just a few blocks from here you're gonna wanna see. The renovations and addition of this charming colonial are going to wow you. Let me show you inside. Enjoy a beverage with amazing views and natural lighting. You're gonna love cooking in this spacious and renovated kitchen. Serve dinner here, or in the breakfast room, or in this fabulous screen porch. Or skip cooking altogether and order delivery. You're gonna love the outdoor space and all the privacy. And this owner's edition is luxury at its best. If you want fast results and a phenomenal home right by Westover, your next chapter's waiting.